Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Shopify account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. Click on it to find the options related to two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication and click on Enable. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, either via an authentication app or SMS. Step 5. Follow the setup instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If using an authentication app, scan the QR code provided. If using SMS, enter the phone number where you want to receive codes. Confirm the setup by entering the code sent to you. Once completed, your Shopify account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible to avoid any login issues in the future.